Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to switch on the child lock on your Samsung washing machine, Samsung AI washing machine, or the new Samsung AddWash washing machine. So the child lock function was pretty useful for avoiding kids or anyone coming and playing around with the buttons or opening the door mid-cycle, which will protect them from getting burnt or all the water coming out, and also stopping your wash cycle. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, obviously you can turn on the washing machine, put on your wash cycle, and then we can get to how to turn on the child lock. So in this case, say I'm doing a quick 15-minute wash or quick 15-minute wash, then you press start, and that's to start your cycle. Then what you want to do is press this button with the little hand. Not sure if you can really see that. So that little button with the little hand, the one on your right, the last one on your right, you press that once, and then that gives you access to the additional menus option. So you use this dial to select your functions. So as you go around, turn around, you can see all the options that you get. And child lock will be on the last one. So you just need to tap the confirm button, and then it's locked the buttons and the door. So you can see that the door is not able to be opened. Even after completing the cycle, it will not open the door, because that's just there to protect you or your kids from coming and just opening the door. So that's how you turn on the child lock. And the other thing is, the little AddWash door won't open as per normal. You'll find some kids, usually they might like to come and just play around with this button, opening and closing it. So that's why it might be a good idea to just turn child lock on, and then they won't be opening it and reaching into the wash. So that's how you turn it on. To turn it off, what you need to do is press the extras button again, and then you go all the way using the dial, turning to the right, all the way to child lock. Then you confirm, and then it's unlocked. Just like that, easy as. So if you found any value in this video, gently smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I post a lot of these videos about the new Samsung washing machines. I also do have repair videos on different washing machines. So you never know when your washing machine might break down, and I'll have the fix for it. I promise I won't annoy you in your subscriptions box. But other than that, I'll see you next time. Cheers.